Despite clearing the block road and security forces returning to Kamjong Khuleng police station following the agreement between Manipur police and civil society members on Saturday 25th April, situation at the Bungdung Koshung in Manipur's Ukhrul district continued to remain tense due to the ongoing standoff between the Assam Rifle and NSCN-IM. The meeting between the representatives of Manipur Police led by IGP I.K. Muiwa and representatives of various leading social organizations on Saturday afternoon decided to avoid the crisis and opted for mutual understanding as the green hills in Manipur reverberated with the echoes of the voice of hundreds of women demanding peace amid heavy rainfall. Security forces of the Assam Rifles and Manipur Police, who were headed for Koshung village in the Kamjong district of the state, have decided to make a retreat to Imphal after stopping by at Kamjong Khuleng police station, sources said. "We want peace, we don't want coronavirus," shouted hundreds of women holding Zermai at Nungshit Haibi, Khongbai Junction's Chongdang Junction in the Kamjong district, Manipur. They stood guard against the entry of Assam Rifle and state security forces from moving beyond the junction. Nungshit Haibi is situated about 12 km from the Kamjong Khuleng block and it is about 148 km from Ukhrul headquarters. Representatives of United Naga Council, Naga Women Union, Angsam, TNL and police officials held a meeting at Hongbai and a peaceful agreement followed. As the area is situated near the India-Myanmar border, the village are fenced and movement of the people is being strictly monitored, including cross-border trade with the growing number of COVID-19 cases in Myanmar. Expressing satisfaction over the outcome of the meeting, UNC General Secretary Milan said, "We came here for peace and tranquility and the problem have been resolved."
Whatever the government of India sign with any country or any parties, that has to be honored throughout India. So, as Manipur being a part of India, ceasefire should be honored by each and every party that has signed it. The matter is solved. Every sentiment is accommodated. We respect each other. We like the Naga areas to be peaceful.
Tensions continue to grip Manipur's Kamjong district till the third day on Saturday noon as the crucial meeting between the senior officers of the Manipur Police and civil society organization members at Hongbai on Friday evening failed to break the deadlock over the deployment of a large number of Assam Rifles personnel in the area. It may be recalled that tensions have erupted in Kamjong area in March after a large number of Assam Rifle troops besieged several villages including Hongbai village. Earlier on 23rd April, a massive public outcry, especially among women, was witnessed at Koshung Bungdung village after troops of Assam Rifle tried to advance beyond the village, reportedly without announcement to raid NSCN-IM hideouts in the border villages, said sources. Around 300 women of the Koshung Bungdung came out of their homes and stopped the troops from crossing the village to avoid any untoward incidents to take place, especially when the whole country is fighting against the deadly COVID-19 pandemic. Bureau Report.